Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to oil new decks. This video is perfect for you if you've recently had a brand new deck installed, or if you've had a deck installed within the last year which hasn't been previously coated. If your deck is older than this, or has been previously coated, you might want to check out one of our other videos which might be more suitable for you. This is because there's different types of preparation for different types of deck depending on their condition, and in this video we're going to be focusing on the preparation required for new decks, including considerations for whether there was pre-treatment on your deck from before it was purchased. When oiling a new deck for the first time, it's important to make sure that there's no pre-treatment present on the deck from before it was purchased. This is because it stops the oil from soaking into the wood and sticking. Don't worry, because there's two different ways that we can make sure the pre-treatment is gone. Either you can allow the deck to weather for 6 months, or you can use our Ronseal Decking Cleaner Reviver and get straight to work. Start by giving it a brush. Protect any plants or grass with a dust sheet, then pour your cleaner directly onto your decking. With your brush, scrub the deck to remove all the dirt, and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. To wash it off, it's best to use a pressure washer, but a hose will do. Work from one end of the decking to the other in one continuous motion, and your deck is clean. Only when the deck is completely dry can you then get started with the oil. Oil is a great choice for new decks. It nourishes deep into the wood, protecting it from the elements, and using natural colours, it allows the beauty of the wood to shine through. Start by giving the oil a good shake and pour it out. To save time, you'll want to use a large paintbrush. Focus on 3 to 4 boards at a time to avoid any overlap marks. Now, all you have to do is wait 4 hours and apply your second coat. After waiting 4 hours for that to dry, you're done. One beautifully oiled deck that shows up all the natural beauty of the wood. Once you've finished your job, then you need to make sure you clean your tools. And depending on which oil you've used from Ronseal, the cleanup is quite different. If you've used our Ultimate Protection decking oil, then warm soapy water will do the trick for you. And if you've used our Nourishing decking oil, then white spirit and brush cleaner is what you need. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.